Hey guys, today I've got an Amana washer and electric dryer matching set. Both are in pretty much like new condition. And I've got this one filling up right now with water. Got it set to large load, warm, cold, and I'm just doing regular as far as how long it's gonna agitate. Let's see, we've got some beans, towels, jackets in there. Now I've got an additional, normally I just take these two screws off, pull this down, stick it in here. I've actually ordered one of these little parts so I didn't have to keep doing that with the two screws, but I put this in here just so we can bypass the lid lock switch and you can kind of see what's going on. But otherwise this lid, it locks during the cycle and you can't lift it up. It's an excellent safety feature. This will fill all the way up with water. Full submersion on the clothes. It's got the agitation post here. It does an excellent job getting those clothes nice and clean. So I'm gonna let it go ahead and fill up and we'll come back, show you that it's agitating. I'll show you that the water drains out and that it's got a nice, fast, smooth final spin cycle on it. All things you check as if you were standing here yourself checking it out. Then we'll move on to the dryer. All right, moved into the wash cycle. Full submersion on those clothes. Probably could have got away with the medium setting on the water, but that's all right. See, the agitator's doing an excellent job. Okay, now we're moving out of the wash cycle. Just draining the water out there nice and fast. You can hear it drain there. Okay, final spin cycle. You see it there. Once again, the lid would typically be locked. I've just got a little bypass mechanism there. You see it spinning nice and fast. Smooth operation. Sounds great. I'll let that finish up and go ahead and move those clothes over to the dryer. Okay, now we've got the matching electric dryer and I've had it running here for about 15 minutes. Got that load moved over, I'll show you. Just get it in there. You can see the red coming out of that heating element tube. But I've got it set time dry, high heat. Just push go right there. You've got a few different options here for your different laundry loads, delicates. You want to air dry it, automatic on low heat or automatic on high. Just kind of set it and forget it here. Lint traps right there. And I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. You can see and hear that it sounds great. Right in between those two red dots, it's going to take a surface temperature measurement. So it's about 76.5 degrees on top of the unit here. If I point it on the floor, you'll see it's considerably colder on the floor. We'll go ahead and open this up. Shoot it right inside the heating element tube. You can see that's nice and hot. That will in turn get the inside of your dryer anywhere from about 95 up to 195. Just depends on how high you have that heat setting and how long it's been running. But there we go, push all that back in there. And I'll let this go ahead and finish up. We'll get it listed up for sale. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. So you guys have a great day. Thanks.